Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to show the log file generated error. Go to Configuration and Log File. You can see the all logs. As you can see, the last log was on 10:46 AM with this entry. To generate a new log, we are going to add a new task of clearing the shop cache. Go to Configuration and Log File. As you can see, the new log of clearing cache has been generated. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.